Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nana. Today I'm going to be getting my first wig install. But first of all, we need to deal with this. I'm so excited because I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but I trust that the person who is gonna be doing it on me is gonna be doing it really well because she really does her wig installs really nice, and I trust her to pull it up. So first off, I need to get my hair rolled. Like, I need to get it laid back. This is how I slept, and my hair is a mess. It's like really hard to comb. I'm going to do my cornrows. After my cornrows, I'll be going over to my friend's place, Molly. She's been like a big sister to me since I got here. So yeah, I'm gonna go to her place and she's gonna get my wig installed done.
A few moments later.
Oh, this is Molly.
Hi.
So yeah.
Okay. So I never saw the wig. That's my first time that I'm seeing it. And she told me that it was kind of short, but I want to just do the length and see how long is it, because she ordered, it was 26 inches.
24.
24. Okay, 24, and I'm gonna see how long is it. So let me put it in your hair.
Okay.
How does it feel? I mean, you need to wear a cap. It's like
24.
23.
So this is actually close to 24.
They're actually close.
That's crazy.
Like 23, you can see y'all. I was expecting to get like full of hair, but the first time is not that bad.
Okay.
So I'll be using the gel. The name is Pure. I bought that in Beauty Supply. We'll have different sizes. That's the big one, I guess, and it's really good for kinky hairs. Even though that's good, I'm gonna be cutting just a little bit in the front because it doesn't look good. We have a lot of hairs in the front. I know some of y'all will get mad because I've been cutting in the front, but she's the one who decided to cut it. So every time that I wear my wigs, I just put little oil in my hair. Oh, but I mix like 4 to 5 type of oil. Just like that. So the cap is brown, but I want it to be brown. So I'll be using the NARS foundation. That's the shade Iguaku in number 3. So I will just put it on top of it. How do you feel?
It's nice, like it's comfortable.
Oh, by the way, I didn't tell y'all. This is 4x4. So this is 4x4 wig. I ordered 4x4 for her because that's her first time wearing wig, so she don't know how to install like the 4 legs. So in order to getting used to it, I prefer to start with 4x4. So yeah, that'll be 4x4 week. We bought the hair on AliExpress, and she didn't know where to buy the hairs. So she started looking for Amazon, and I told her Amazon has good hairs, but kind of expensive. AliExpress has affordable wigs, so you have to be very careful when you buy them because sometimes they are so scam. I think it has to be a little bit more in the front. Yeah. Yeah, because she's kind of behind. You look like those Nigerian aunties.
But I don't also want it to
It won't be like that though, but yeah, you put it a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
Using the ball hold. You can buy it in the beauty supplies or Amazon, on the website as well of the ball hold website. I'm gonna be putting it around. We're gonna do 3 layers. That's the first layer. I'm gonna put it back like that. I'll go ahead and put some melting spray.
So the spray is for all to melt.
To melt it. So after putting melting spray, put it around here. You can be here for 20-30 minutes. Here or there.
One eternity later.
We'll be putting some hair wax stick to get all the hairs together. We don't want any crazy hair here. It's gonna be standing up.
You get one.
Just a little bit.
Just the hair, not you.
Okay,
Just head.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
No, you want to show me?
You started getting born, right? Just like that. Yes, just like that. They get used to
I just
it.
got burnt.
No, you have not.
I have my phone tint.
It's really hard.
If I buy this phone, I can't do this thing by myself.
You'll see how natural it is here. It's because I plug the hair. You can see how natural it is.
Looks like that.
We always have to plug. It's important to plug the hair before the installation. I'll be painting like the line. I'll be using the Fendi Beauty. I'll be using this one, the titanium.
Temptation.
What a name, man. Last but not least, we're gonna iron her hair. See how pretty it's getting.
Yes.
She's so pretty.
You. So tell me what you guys think about about this wig install. I feel like it's so good. Like I feel like a different person. So yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, my baby girl.
Yeah, her wigs are always on point. So I trusted that she could pull this off. Bye.
Bye. See ya.